I created this makeup look for a content video shoot, and I did two looks with the same hair and makeup. I'm using the Ollie OMG oil. I've used this once before in one of my videos. I'm loving their products. Give it a try. This is not sticky at all, and it actually made my makeup stay all day. If you're watching this on FB, I will link them in my comments, and if you're watching this on YouTube, it's going to be in the description box. I'm going in with some liquid foundation. I do not need more than 2 drops, and neither do you if you have basically got clear skin and matured skin. And just blend it all over. Avoid putting too much under the eye and around the lips because you're going to put your concealer there and you don't want that part more layered. Otherwise, it'll kind of create these crease lines which you will not like. Now I'm going in with my concealer. I usually use it after the liquid foundation, but some people prefer to use it before, and if it works for you, that's fine. There's no hard and fast rule as long as your look works out. I'm just using a loose powder to set my foundation. I don't bake because it makes my face look very dry unless it's like for an occasion or something, that too very rarely. So just set it lightly with some powder and it won't move. I don't draw my eyebrows, but I definitely set it with a gel. If you need to draw it, go for it, but use a gel so that it doesn't move from its place. I'm using a Huda palette, but use a palette or any eyeshadow of your choice. Take a brown eyeshadow and a fluffy brush and put it on your upper eyelid till your crease line. Keep blending it in till you get the intensity of the color, and if you have hooded eyes, go above the crease line. Make sure you keep blending it till the color looks even. Blend with patience, and whatever is left on your brush, bring it down to your lower outer lash line. Repeat the same on the other eye. Just because I'm using a Huda palette with a brown doesn't mean you have to use the same. Please use products of your own choice within your budget, whatever your budget might be. All the products you will find in different brands. Follow the technique and your life will be easy. Now take any pencil brush, it's available in many brands. Take your brown again and line your lower lash line. Also use it on the outer corner of your eyes on the upper eyelid without bringing it in all the way. Just blend it and make sure the strokes are from outside to inside. Now take any clean brush which is soft, an eyeshadow brush of course, and blend the crease so that there are no harsh lines. Take a highlighter or a shimmer eyeshadow and dab it on top of your upper eyelid and just blend it in with your finger. I'm going to do a Kajal look. Kajal makes life easy. You can blend it and smudge it in different ways. Use it on your outer waterline. Now you need to smudge this out and use a flat smudge brush. Just type flat smudge brush and you'll find it in many brands. Now go back in with your pencil brush and a brown and smudge this further. So it's going to give your kajal a smoky look. And if you don't bring it in all the way, your eyes will also look bigger. All kinds of smudge brushes and pencil brushes make life so much easier. You don't even need a steady hand, yet your makeup will look flawless. I had forgotten to use my lip plumper. You could use a lip balm as well, so I'm using it now. Now I'm going to complete my eye makeup with a mascara. A good mascara will also subtly line your upper lid. Take your highlighter and use it on your outer brow bone. I always line and fill out my lips with a nude lip liner. This makes my lipstick stay longer. I'm going to be using a nude lipstick with some gloss, but I'm using a brown lip liner which I will blend out so that the nude lipstick doesn't look washed out. You can sanitize the back of your lip liner, that's what I do, and just use it to blend out the brown at times. I'm using a nude lipstick. I'm using Pillow Talk by Charlotte Tilbury. Use a lipstick of your choice. Just dab off the top layer and apply it again. I'm using a lip gloss, but if you don't want to and keep it matte, that's fine too. I'm going in with a powder contour because it gives your face a very soft contour. Use any soft brush and it'll work. Makeup is almost done. I'm going to use some blush and blend it out. I like using cream blushes because I have dry skin. If you have oily skin, by all means, use a powder blush on. I'm finishing my look with a highlighter and then I'm going to do a hairstyle by my hairstylist who's going to be coming shortly. I'll be doing 2 looks and the hair and makeup will be the same and it's going to stay. I'm going to share the 2 looks at the end of the video. Hope you can give it a try, enjoy it. These are very easy methods and of course, take care and stay glam. My neck pieces are from the trinket and of course I will tag them too.